What is this noise?
I do not know. Something must be construction going on nearby my house.
Mm-hmm. So, did you have breakfast?
No, not yet. I take my breakfast at 12.
Oh my God, 12.
I means I don't do morning breakfast
Mm-hmm.
because if I have to go to any institution, then I might be going to take something. But if I'm just at home, so I'm not going to do breakfast in morning.
But many people say that if you don't have breakfast in the morning, then you can have gas problem, means means acidity problem, gas problem in your stomach.
No, I follow my body. If my body tells me that I need to eat, then I eat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I just
So
eat depending on the hunger levels. If I'm hungry, then I will eat. If I'm not hungry, so I will not eat.
so I have two topics. So should we continue?
Yes.
Hmm. As as I know you are a learner and you always likes to learn something new. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I would like to tell you about OCD. OCD is a type of mental disease, and the full form of OCD is is obsessive compulsive disorder.
Okay.
And there is a Sheila auntie who lives just beside my house.
Mm-hmm.
She is suffering from this disease,
Okay.
and you will find it very interesting. That's why I am telling you what happens in this disease. Means many patients, they wash their hands three times, four times, five times when they come from toilet.
Okay.
Like like uh, like a man and woman goes to toilet, means latrine. Okay.
Hmm.
So hands are dirty. so
Hmm.
so what happens with that type of patients? When they wash their hands, th-
Okay.
their mind says that yet the germs are on the hand, and you should wash your hands once more.
So there is no problem in that. Like it is good, right?
No,
If we like
this
doing
is
good,
oh
then we should wash
my
it.
dear friend, this is a disease. This is a disease.
No, this is not a disease. The
No,
people made it a
wait,
disease.
wait,
This is a
wait.
normal thing, man.
Wait for few minutes, and after that you give
Opinion.
your opinion. Okay.
Okay.
So I like that I am suffering from depression and anxiety. So for 5 years I have seen a hundreds of of psychiatrists who made videos on the mental diseases. Okay. Hmm. So once there was a girl who had a severe OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, and she started to wash his hands to wash her hands again and again. Okay. So what happens in this disease, that after some times the disease makes a larger form.
Okay.
So that girl means I am talking about the example of a psychiatrist who has given the example. Okay. So so what happened, there was a patient, and she got means that was a 20 years old girl. She got a OCD, and the disease started, and she started to wash her hands again and again. So after some weeks, after some months, disease got increased, and she started to take bath morning and the evening. Okay. After some months, she started to take more bath, more bath means whenever she went for urinating, she went for toilet, she started to take bath after, just after that. So and and after some days, that OCD problem got more increased, and that girl asked all the members of family that whenever you will enter the house, you will take a bath, and only that, and after that you can live in the house.
Okay.
So all the parents, they they took the girl, they took the girl to the doctor, and that doctor was telling me this example. Now I will come on the Sheila auntie who lives just next to my home.
Okay, man, first of all, please think while speaking. You're not speaking in a correct grammatical manner, okay?
Right.
You're here for practice, right? First
Right,
think,
right.
first form the sentence, then check whether that sentence making sense or not, okay? Grammatically, then you should try to speak, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're not just here to speak the words, right? You're here for improvement every day, right?
Right.
If you just see like this, so how will you improve? It will take so much time. So please think, then speak, right? Do it right now.
but but sometimes I find it very difficult to form a correct sentence.
It will be difficult. Who said it is easy?
Okay. Okay. Now I will take time, but I will try to speak correct sentence. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, speak correct. Yeah, that's it.
So there is a Sheila auntie who is living
Hmm.
next to my house.
Mm-hmm.
What is the problem with Sheila auntie? That whenever she goes to toilet, she goes to pee, or she goes to latrine. when
Mm-hmm.
when she comes, after that, uh, when she comes, she wash her hands, more than 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
And the and you will laugh when you hear it, like I when I go to Sheila auntie for something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if I knock her door is made of iron.
Mm-hmm.
And if Sheila auntie sees me that I have touched that iron door,
Mm-hmm.
and when I come from there, Sheila auntie washes that iron door with more than 5 buckets of water.
Mm-hmm.
Her She was saying to me that when you touch my door, there are means germs get transfer from my hands to her iron door. That's why uh, that's why uh, she cleans iron door with water, with lot of water. And once, what happened, uh, Sheila's auntie's husband's mobile fell down in the uh, latrine, in the toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Then Sheila auntie washed her husband's mobile from a lot of water. And after that, mobile means that smartphone was not working.
Mm. Okay, okay. I was able to understand the sentence, what you want to intend to say, but I was not able to figure out grammatically, right? Because so many errors were there in this last two lines, right? Say those sentences again.
How it is possible that I do not make error, means I want to speak English correctly, but there are always errors in my speech.
Yes, there will be errors in everyone's English, correct? But
Hmm.
your error rate is high, okay? Means more than 70%.
Oh my
Okay?
God. Hmm.
You need to reduce it because even I'm going to make errors while speaking, but my error rate is less, right?
Hmm.
So we need to reduce it. I mean, 100% error free you will be able to get if you're talking with the native English people and you're practicing with them. So you're going to adopt the same thing. But good native English speakers, not the person who are just speaking on these streets, they are not able to, comprehend whatever you are saying, and they are also not able to comprehend whatever they are saying. They are speaking subconsciously. So those kind of speakers, if you're talking with those kind of people, so you're not able to improve on it, right? So you need to speak with the native English
Hmm.
speaking teacher. Okay, so who speaks English well? Okay, so
So,
those kind of people will help you. Okay, so that's all about it, right? You're talking about the OCD, right?
yes, yes. So that happens in the OCD, that your mind says that your hands are not clean, and you should wash your hands again. And people wash their hands again and again, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and they take bath many times. They take bath many times in a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So that is a disease of obsessive compulsive disorder.
Okay, okay, okay. I mean, it is good disease, I will say. If someone is having this, so that person is blessed.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you have, of if you have this obsessive compulsion disorder,
Mm-hmm.
like for your work, right, for your passion, then it
Mm-hmm.
is good, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. If you are having this disorder, just you are thinking that you want to clean yourself, then it is also good. I
but
don't see harm in this, right?
but when a person will have this OCD, he will use साबुन को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, साबुन को?
What?
Soap. He will use soap a lot, and he or she will spend a lot of soap.
Okay, so just tell them that use that kind of soap that is not going to dissolve very quickly. The
but
soap that can kill majority of the bacteria.
but I think all kinds of soap, they dissolve very quickly.
I don't think so. I mean, there are some soaps, or you can use the, uh, there are different type of soap stand where you are just going to keep the soap and the water is going to uh, dissipate from beneath, right? The water is not going to be there, right? That kind of thing. Means there are some soaps which are not going to get dissolved that quickly, and I think I know some of the soaps, right? Or you can use some kind of wood inside the soap. Like wooden soaps are there, okay? They're not going to get dissolved that easily, but they are costly also, right? I think for these people, the cost doesn't matter. They just want to keep themselves as clean as they can, right? So I know some people, okay, who are having this kind of thing, okay, but
Mhm.
they're fine. Means John Abraham is also having OCD,
Okay.
but he's working fine. He's a superstar in the movie industry. So
Mhm.
this is not going to impact your life.